Hey my friends, so we are back with part 2 of this Batten makeover. I left off painting the wall. Let the paint dry completely before I was ready to apply the wallpaper. I purchased this wallpaper from Amazon, but I don't think I recommend it. Although it does look great on the wall, trying to apply this and the removal if you mess up was a complete disaster. Now I told you guys the flat paint they use in our house is really cheap, so that may have had something to do with it, but I was ready to throw everything in the trash. The next hiccup was the drawer pulls. Yes, we had several in this project, so I sent these back to Amazon 3 different times because each size did not fit. I finally said forget it and decided to purchase some flat paint from Walmart and spray painted these along with the light fixture. I purchased this black framing tape from Amazon as well, just to give the mirror a more finished look. I just want to let you guys know that these projects would not always work out in your favor, but that don't mean you have to give up. And on my channel, I definitely want you guys to see the good, the bad, and the ugly, because it's not always that easy for things to come together. I must say I'm loving the black and white aesthetics these days. I think it gives the space a more polished look. I've always been afraid to decorate with black because it's such a dark and bold color, but I'm really loving it. Okay, my friends, I hope you all love the way this turned out as much as I do. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Also, subscribe if you haven't already and turn on that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a video.